Hello all. In this video we are going to discuss regarding Odoo pricing. So Odoo is an open source business management software which helps in managing the entire process that happens within your organizations like the customer relationship management, e-commerce, billing, accounting, manufacturing, sales management, inventory management, HR management and so on. And these modules basically aims to effectively and seamlessly communicate with each other to exchange informations. So in short, we can say that Odoo is a software suite to better manage and run your company. As we know that Odoo contains a well integrated modules and have a modular structure and are available in mainly two editions, that is the Odoo Community Edition and Odoo Enterprise Edition. So Odoo Community is basically an open source that is available free of cost, that is there is no license fee, and however with limited features or functions. Whereas the Odoo Enterprise Edition is Odoo Community along with some additional functional apps which is paid and have advanced features that is benefiting the business company in large. So now let's have a glance over the basic comparison that is done between the Odoo Enterprise as well as the Community Edition. So here you can see the comparison that is being done. So in order to know more about the comparison between Odoo Enterprise as well as the Community Edition, you can check the link below. Now let's move on to the Odoo pricing. So basically the Odoo subscription pricing depends upon the country or region which you are based in and the number of users and the apps you are subscribing to. So from here you have the provision to choose the number of users from here. So from here you can increase the number of users and from here you can choose your apps. So with Odoo we know that Odoo apps are perfectly integrated with each other, allowing you to fully automate your business process and reap the savings as well as the benefits. So here you can view all your apps and correspondingly the amount or the price per month also you can view from here. Then at this side you can see the annual as well as the monthly computations of the prices done based upon the users as well as the apps and the total computations per month. Here you can see certain things also. Then in case of Odoo pricing, for monthly subscription, the price of the app starts from $5 and $10 per user, and for new customer it provides a $2.5 on the initial number of user purchase. And for annually or yearly basis subscription, the price of the app starts from $4 and $8 per users, and for the new customer it provides $2 on the initial number of user purchase. So here you can see those computations done. Then the Odoo also provides a 15 days of free trials, and you can also see that when you select any one of the module, automatically the dependent module would also be selected with that. And here the corresponding details also you can see, that is on the basis of users and the number of apps. Here the annual computation as well as the monthly computations can be viewed from here on the basis of the users that you are providing. You can see those computations based upon selecting the number of apps itself. Here you can see the count of the app is increasing as well as its amount also. Then when you come down you can see an extra integration part. So if you want to integrate with other apps, so for that extra cost is would be added to this. So here you can see for extra integration we have certain shipping methods as well as connectors also. For that, separate amount per month is also provided here. So once you select that, the corresponding amount would be added over here. So automatically the dependent module will also be selected in the top of that. In here you can see for those inventory as well as the sale is being selected. So correspondingly for integrating with other app, the extra cost would be added. Here you can see the monthly and annual basis computations done. So here you can see that. Now when you come down, we have another option, that is to choose the hosting type. So here we can see the three hosting type, that is cloud hosting, on-premise and Odoo.sh cloud platform. So cloud hosting, or we can say Odoo Online. So Odoo Online basically follows the SaaS model, that is based in cloud system. So which is basically used for small scale businesses that do not demand customization, because for Odoo Online it does not support module customization. For example, suppose if you want any kind of third party integration or customization, so there is no way to do it with Odoo Online. So for this itself you have the different plans. Basically the cloud hosting or Odoo Online is free. Then is the on-premise option. So this Odoo on-premise, or with Odoo on-premise you have an absolute flexibility as well as the autonomy for your system, and can use any application certified from a third-party vendors. That is, you can do it in third-party cloud server as well as the third-party local server, or you can even create a new one. Here you can see the annual computations done, but for on-premise we don't have the monthly plan. So here you can see for monthly plan we don't have this. The monthly plan is not available to cloud hosting option, that is on-premise, whereas we have this annual computation done for on-premise option. Then we have Odoo.sh cloud platform. So basically this Odoo.sh is the default server which is provided by Odoo, so which supports the custom module, and moreover the third party integration as well as the custom modules can be added in order to satisfy the requirement. So here it supports the custom module, we can say that in Odoo.sh, but for this we have to pay extra. And here you can see when I included Odoo.sh, certain other things are also added. So basically it depends upon the certain options over here, that is on workers, storage as well as the staging environment, and for each one you can see the prices provided over here itself. So here you can see is particular computation on annual as well as the monthly basis. And in Odoo.sh basically we have two types of servers with Odoo.sh, that is we have the shared server as well as the dedicated server. So the company sizing, that is up to 50 employees, or we can say that 50 users. For that the Odoo suggests the shared server, whose pricing and its configuration is provided in their site, that is provided by the Odoo, and it is provided in their site itself. Whereas in case of this company sizing above 50 employees, we can say above 50 users or employees, for those the Odoo suggests the dedicated server. That is, within Odoo's itself we have two types of servers, that is shared server as well as the dedicated server. So the company sizing above 50 employees, the Odoo suggests them the dedicated server, but its pricing is not provided in this site by default. So it will be provided on the basis or on analyzing the requirement as well as the configuration needed as per the requirement. So the pricing is provided after analyzing the requirement and the configuration needed. So with Odoo SH, we have that two server type, that is the shared server as well as the dedicated server. And here extra pricing on the basis of the worker storage as well as the staging environment is also done. And for more information on Odoo SH, you can go to Odoo SH site, so where you will see the pricings which is done on different basis. So from here also you can see for pricing both annually as well as monthly basis option is there. On the basis of worker also, storage, hosting type, staging environment and all, we have this options over here on the pricing based upon odoo.sh. So this is something regarding the Odoo pricing we can say. So last but not the least, we can say that Odoo can be entitled as a complete package of the ERP solutions, which is constantly switching to its newer versions every year with more updated features which make the business plan more stronger. So this is regarding the Odoo pricing. So thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, just drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.